application here is a bit tricky to use, but make sure to watch the full video so you get a full understanding. So here you have the offline music section. This is pretty much all the musics that are on your device, which you can listen to. It will automatically scan your device for all the musics and everything. So here you have the library section, which does the same thing as are on your device. So if you tap on these few lines over here, you'll be able to go and tap on the hot music around the world. Once you have selected that, you'll be able to select this option here, which says music in 2020, music in 2025 in music. I don't know why it says that, but yes. So you'll be able to see all the top lists. You'll be getting a playlist, all the top musics around the world. As you can see here, your top artists in the United States. And if I do tap on this option here, I'll be able to see all the top music, and I'll be able to listen to all of these top musics. So we have the YouTube option, I have the online music, which is pretty much music around the world. So that's pretty much it for that. There you have the podcast option here, you have the recently uploaded, whatever that means, and you have the top podcasts around the world. As you can see here, you tap on this option here to see other categories as it relates to top podcasts. You have the technology section. As you can see, there are the tech news. You can tap on that option to see other top podcasts. But very, very fairly decent application. It is merely for just offline music, and the rest, it doesn't really find music around the world that easily, so do keep that in mind. But it's a very, very good music application for you to play offline music. So that's really pretty much it for this application. And if you do tap on the search option here, you'll be able to find only music in your device, not music around the world, so do keep that in mind as well. So that's really pretty much it for this, and if I miss anything at all, let me know in the comment section. See you in the next one.